In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft not sending you a code. So if Microsoft is not sending you a code verification via email, here are some things that you can go ahead and try out. So number one is you want to verify your contact information. So if you inputted your email or your phone number wrong, that is going to cause significant problems. So it is always a good idea to double check that the email or the phone number that you actually did enter is 1000% correct. I know that may seem a little bit obvious and trivial, but it's really important that you keep that in mind. But if you put the correct Gmail address and things still aren't working, then what I recommend that you guys do is open up your Gmail account. And what I recommend that you guys do is actually look underneath your spam folder, because sometimes the email could go in the spam folder. So go ahead and take a look at that. And the next thing you want to do is you want to check your network settings. So a weak internet connection can actually prevent Microsoft from sending you the email with the verification code. So guys, it's always a good idea to make sure that you have a good and stable internet connection. Also, if you're using any VPNs or proxies, try to temporarily disable them and then go ahead and do the process without it, because sometimes VPNs and proxies can make the connection a little bit weird and it may not work and stuff like that. So it's always a good idea to just use your regular Wi-Fi network, or if you can, your mobile data. And lastly, I really recommend that you avoid excessive code requests. So repeated requests to multiple contact methods can trigger Microsoft security systems, temporarily blocking code delivery due to unusual activity. And you may need to wait 24 hours before requesting another code to avoid being flagged. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.